So, whenever you are working with any project, you need to use Git. And Git is basically a repository to store your data on GitHub or GitLab or Bitbucket or anything. So, first of all, to use Git, you must set up Git in your local device or a local machine or also on server. And first of all, to do that, you need to set up username and email for your Git. So, check if you have already configured username or not. You can use that this command git config user user.name. As you can see, I have already username called cool snippet. And also to check email, you can do config user.email. And to view all the detail, you can also use git config as list. So if you need to change this email and username, all you have to do is git config user.name Ironman. Now let's view that name git config user.name Ironman, and also let's view our email git config user.email. To change our email, git config user.email Jarvis git config. You need to also global use global command global user.email jarvis@gmail.com. Now to view our git config user.email. Now let's view all it together git config dash list. So sorry, my username is not changing. Wait a minute. Git config user.name Ironman git config user.name git config. So this is how you set up your username and email in your local server.